Hi YouTube, I have dusted off my travel scrapbook and I want to start filling it up again. I'm going to start with this mammoth page, but I'm not really sure where I'm headed with this. I picked up all of these ephemera and stickers that I have, and some of them are very cute. I don't know if they necessarily fit what I'm thinking, and even this little snowboarder, he's more of a boy, so I'm gonna go ahead and make something on my Cricut. This is what I ended up making for my inspo pick. If you want to see how I made it, stick around. I start by going to Microsoft Designer and I request my personalized image. Sorry, this is blurry. I typed in cute cartoon snowboard girl. Once I have the image, I upload that to my Procreate on my tablet. Hi, there I am. And then I trace her down to make her simplified. Once she's traced, I can upload her to Cricut Design Space. And then I go through the process of contouring out all of her layers. And I go ahead and cut her on my Cricut machine. Those are my scraps. And I also went ahead and made a title that was personalized to this trip. So here I am just putting those pieces together. Voila, that is my Mammoth 2018 title. I love how it came out. Now with these tiny pieces, you can usually punch them out. One of the eyes was a little wonky, but nothing the little scissors can't snip, and she came out cute. She needed some whites to her eyes, and so there she goes with the white marker. And yes, I am that girl. Don't sleep on your scraps. Use up as much as you can. I really like how it all came together. The colors popped. It was exactly what I wanted. So another one for the books.